Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can use the 3D model inventor to create the 3D model for these parts. That is the top view. You can see some of the dimensions, and also we do have the section views. So that's the section C and C. Alright, with some measurements here. Okay, let's start to it. Standard for the parts. And the sketch. I would like to use this plan because after I draw, I need to go around with the revolve. So I select this one. As what I said before, I'm going to draw half of this half or the other half. But checking the drawing here, I can see this is D view and E view. If I scrolling up, I can see this view. There's a chamfer and there's a filler, and there's a filler and filler. First line I would like to draw is from here to here. That number we can find it from here, 180. That's overall 180. Get line, and then I start to draw these 180, but I only draw half, so that's 90. Okay, and I don't have any figures how far from here to there and here as well, and this point as well. However, we know the height overall is 80, and then we have 20 mil in between the center of 3 different grooves, and down the bottom must be 20. If I don't have this number from there to here or other numbers, I can allocate this point because that's 164. Half of the 164 is 82. And then this point, which is here, is 20 from there to there. Half of this, and we can see from here, that's 8 mil from there to there. Half of that is 4. 20 mil minus 4 is 16. 82, 16. $82, then go up 16. Okay, this point is right in there. When I want to draw this one, that's much easier because 30 degree. And then after I can draw this line because I know this point. I get this one there going down. And okay, if I get dimension, this one in here, and I say 90 minus 30 is 60. And then I get this line up. And okay. Then use trim function to trim this off. This one now. So this one is the reference line, so I delete it. And we know this one is 8 mil down the bottom of the groove, so I put 8 in there. And then I draw a line from the middle to here. That's construction line. Then again, mirror. I want to mirror this line to the other side. That's mirror line and apply. And done. One groove has been done. And the second one, we say in between them is 20 mil for each 3 of them. What I do is get another reference line. I just say from this point up 20 mil. And then from this point there up is 20 mil also. So from here to here is 20 mil. I would like to copy this one, this one. Copy point should be from here to here and also to here. Everything done. All I need to do is a reference line can go. I think I miscopied this line. That's really matter. That's easy to join back. And also I would like to join this line as well. Okay, all this side almost done. Now we need to fix up the top line. From here all the way down has been done. And now we need to know how far we're going up. As you know, that's 80 mil. We've got, just get the reference line and we say 80 mil up and draw a line again, started from here and line up there and finish in there. And then we say this is 90 mil. Reference line can delete it. And we want to know how far this one. However, we don't know how far from this point to there. But down the bottom, we know 146, this one 73 from the middle to this point. This point and this point is a 10 degree. This point from here to there 73. And the way up, we say that's 44. From the middle point there 73 and 44. And then we draw a line to here. And I say, okay. Dimension, this one and this one there. At the moment is 11. If I kick in 10, there will be 10 there. Reference line can go, so we finish this point. And then we need to draw from here to there, this point. This point there, a little bit tricky one, 42 is 21. If I want to know this point, that's 21 and then 14. Okay, this point is right there. And then we got 8 degrees. When you have a line there, this one swing 8 degrees. So let's do this. At the moment, just draw a line there. If I draw a line there as a reference line, and then I measure, at the moment it's at 14, so I put 8, close over. And then I have this line there straight to there. The reference line can go, and we trim this out. This reference line can go as well. That's pretty much from here to here and all finish. And now we're looking for this point now. This point here is 146, same as this. So 146 is 73. And then we're going down. See how much we need to go down. That's 20 mil. $73 and going down 14. We got this point. This point is represented this point here. And then we have 16 degree. And this one, so now it's a 16. What I do is I trim this out. This reference line can go. So we got this line now. Now I can draw a line crossover, same as the bottom one, but we don't know where to stop. At the moment, I can put it anywhere there. Doesn't really matter, just a little bit longer than usual. And we want to know this point now. That's 50. Overall is 80. And from this point to here is 61. And then we have 14 here. 61 plus 14 is 75. 80 mil minus 75 is 5 mil. And then we have an angle line to going down. If I want to check the angle, there will be 9 degrees from here to here. First, I would like to draw a line there as a reference and dimension. And I say 9 degrees. This reference line can go. We need to trim this too. There to here. And okay. This top can go. This one can go. This one can go. And this one can go too. This line we delete the long one. We just add the back. We need to draw this one now. We can see this keyhole there. This hole there is R12.5. R12.5 diameter is 25. $12.5. Then it goes up. That's not close here. Need to add this one in. Then we have trim. I need to trim this out. And this one going down to there. And then we say, okay, this one I want to be the construction line. This line there can go. This line there can go. This one go. All these ones can go. And all we need to do is get to this one and trim this out. Everything must be constrained, and trim this out. Finish. We come back to here, revolve, and they automatically selected because only one constraint. And now you need to get the S's, and it goes around. And I click OK. We need to draw a line there. This one is a circle. If I try to find the numbers, it's right in here. R65. Go to this plan and start to make a drawing. It's right in the center there. R65, that's 30 diameter. Okay, so that's outline. What about inline? The inline, if I check in from here, okay, right in here, 38. You don't have to say how much you need to do it, but you just key in the number, 38 times 2, and enter. So that should be the second one. we got two boundaries line, one in here, one in there. That's 36 degrees. If I get a line and I draw a line there, just draw anywhere. I can draw on here a reference line, go there, and I say, okay, this line construction 36 between this one and this one, 36, and enter. So that's 36. Get the mirror this one, and then the mirror line will be in the middle, and apply. And trim function, trim outside, and trim outside, and trim these two. Okay, and filler, and 5. Remember, all around. So this keyhole's done, and we want to apply 5 of them. So if you read the drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 of them. However, there is an issue. If I do 5 of them, and then we may have the trouble, because when you do this way, if I do it, it will be trouble. And the axis in the middle, and I change to 5, and I say, okay, you see, there's no gap in between. There's no gap at all. If you read the drawing there, there's 10 mil in between, so 5 for each. Therefore, we cannot do it this way. We have to move this line in a little bit. So what I do is I get offset, and then I get 5 mil in, that's all. Okay, and trim, I can trim this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Extend, and trim this one can go, this one can go, oh, this one can go. Okay, so now filler, I use the filler function and do 5 mil again. I should do it before. If we can, just do before you do the offsets. 5 mil in, so in between you got 10 mil. Circular all around. And axis, the middle. And we go 5. Okay, and tilting up. Then I go to extrude and select all around these. And I want to cut. I want to cut through all. Then I say okay. So it cuts through all of them. All right. So that's the way we're doing this one. Okay, when I check this out, that's R6 from the top, around there, around there. So let's do one at a time. Filler, 6 mil. So that's finish. Down the bottom all around in there as well. So if I tilting up, A filler, still 6 mil record, this one, and this one. Okay, this tool has been done. Now we worry about D. That is D. D we got R1. R1 there, and then we have chamfer. R1, and we say chamfer 1. Okay, so this one and this one. And this two as well. In the middle there, that's radius and chamfer there. Filler and 1, 1, and 1, and 1. And let's say okay. So all ones finish. And the last one is a chamfer. Chamfer, we need to make a keyhole first, and then we make it. With this keyhole, we can see it is lined up in between these two cutouts. I can select any of the cutout and cut this through all the way through from here. The size of this circle is R12.5. From here to here is 12.5 times 2. And from this end to there is 28.5. So this is 3.5 mil. And the width is 6 mil. Let's go back and do it. From here, and select this plan. I would like to do from here to line up from there. First thing we need to do is draw a circle from the middle and to there. And after that, we're going to draw a construction line from there to here. And this one becoming construction. And we draw a line there, that's 3.5. Going straight up, 3 mil, half of the 6 mil. And then we go to the, okay. Then this one becoming construction line. And we do a mirror function. And we select these two lines. And mirror line will be this one, apply. And done. We want to cut this out, so nothing to do with all the line there. We use the trim function to trim around, and we click on OK. Extrude, cut through all, and OK. Now the cut through. These 4 hoses will be the last one. It's an M6 and 4 hoses. The diameter is 38. And they are located in between this cutout. When I'm going back to the drawing, I would like to select, you can select any of the plan. You can cut through all of them. They will be here 1 and 2. 38. Select the 38 and get a construction. And I would like to draw a line crossover. I need to have this one as well. Okay, this one and this one, all construction. We selected both. And dimension between these two is a 45 degree. 6 mil, enter. And then we got circular, this one, and the middle one. And then we say 4. Alright, you can see it now. And then click on OK. Extrude, select this one, 2, 3, and 4. And we cut through, and cut through all. If I turn around, I can see they go through everything. Now they go everything out. The last thing I would like to do is this section. That's chamfer 1. We haven't done it yet. So in here, I do chamfer and 1 mil. And OK. So that's the final one. Last thing we need to do is save as. Then I call this part as pulley drawing. And you can select different materials, whatever you want to change it to, or maybe you can put a metal. Depends what sort of material you want to select it, or the steel brush. Save again. This one will save. Now, important part, I want to produce a drawing. What I need to do is go to New, then Standard IDW, Create. And whatever I draw there, I put base, they will present in here. They will base on there. You can see that cutout is on this side now. And we can change this later on. Now, sectional. I select this one. Then I have to the front, and then to here. So continue. I'm going to just put it in there. This is exactly what we're looking for from here. Finally, we change the view from there to shaded and put some information in. For example, the dimensions or polys, whatever the sizes, just put it in there. Okay, thank you for watching.